Welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today, we're diving into the Logo Shadow Adder, the world's simplest way to give your PNG logo depth, dimension, and that professional floating effect created by Browserling. Just paste your logo, adjust a few settings, and you're done. This tool instantly adds a customizable shadow to your PNG logo. You can change its position horizontally and vertically, tweak the blur, expand the shadow, and pick any color, even semi-transparent ones, to match your brand style. You can also add padding around the logo for extra breathing space. Okay, so first, open your browser and head over to onlinepngtools.com. Scroll down to Logo Shadow Adder and click it. Now let's try 3 examples. Example 1. Create a soft shadow on the M&M logo. Okay, so here's our input, the M&M candy brand logo. Now we move the shadow 25 pixels to the right and 30 pixels down, add a soft blur of 50 pixels and set the color to semi-transparent black, specifically RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.6. Padding stays at 0. This gives the logo a subtle, smooth shadow that enhances visibility without overpowering it. And here's the final output. Hit Save As to download. Example 2. Add a sharp shadow to the Walmart logo. Next, the Walmart logo. We shift the shadow 5 pixels to the left and 5 pixels down, keep the blur level at 0 for a crisp edge, and set the shadow color to midnight blue. Padding remains at 0. This creates a bold, high-contrast effect perfect for strong brand visibility. Here's the finished look. Sharp, defined, and impactful. Hit Save As to download. Example 3. Add a duplicate shadow to the Barbie logo. Finally, the Barbie logo. We offset the shadow 14 pixels to the right and 24 pixels down, blur it by 8 pixels for softness, and choose a pinkish-black semi-transparent shade, that's RGBA 98, 854, 0.3. We also add 20 pixels of padding around the logo so the shadow has room to breathe. Here's the elegant, airy result, ready for both print and digital use. And to save it, just click Save As. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out our previous videos on Single Color Stamp Maker and PNG Revealer for more awesome online tools. Alright, go to onlinepngtools.com, open up the Logo Shadow Adder and, create your own custom shadows in just a few seconds. And as always, like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful browser-based tools every week.